Hi, Karma Guy here. Let me introduce you to this 2008 Lexus IS 250 Sport Sedan, a luxury ride with an amazing service history, 26 records, including recent maintenance valued at over $3,445. This vehicle comes with original books, current GA state emissions, and is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile quality plus warranty. At the time of sale, you can also add a discounted 5-year maintenance plan or even upgrade to a lifetime warranty for total peace of mind. The recent service includes a pre-delivery inspection, spark plugs, radiator, water pump, coolant flush, brake pads and rotors, air and cabin filters, and more. It's ready to go. For transparency, we've included multiple computer scans in the photos. All 7 monitors successfully completed with no trouble codes. This Lexus has a clean bill of health, meets all emission standards, and is ready to roll. Keep in mind, price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and warranty, but you can upgrade the warranty at a discounted rate at purchase.